Need quick access to your phone's photos without emailing them to yourself? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access photos using Phone Link on Windows. We'll make sure your phone is connected, sync your recent images, and explore the tools available for viewing, copying, and sharing photos directly from your PC. So let's get started. Before you can view your photos, make sure your Android phone or supported iPhone is already connected to Phone Link. Open the app and confirm that your device shows as connected. During setup, your phone may ask for permission to access photos. If you haven't allowed this yet, enable the required permissions on your phone so Phone Link can display your recent images. Yeah, this only takes a few seconds. Now return to Phone Link on your computer and select the Photos tab. After a short sync, your recent photos will begin appearing automatically in the gallery. Click on any photo to open it in a larger view. From there, you can zoom in, save the image, copy it to another application, or open it with your preferred photo editor. One of the most useful features is drag and drop. Simply drag a photo from Phone Link into a folder, document, email, or supported application on your computer. This makes transferring recent photos fast and convenient. If your photos don't appear, check that your phone is connected, confirm photo permissions are still enabled, and give Phone Link a few moments to finish syncing. Restarting the app or reconnecting your phone can also help, and that's how to access photos with Phone Link on Windows. Once everything is connected, moving your recent photos between your phone and computer becomes quick and effortless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and helpful tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.